Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyal and in today's video I am gonna create a skincare part 2 video. If you haven't watched skincare part 1, go have a look there also, and let's jump into the video. So the first thing is to sanitize your hands so that all the germs and dust is not placed on your face while you're applying mask, makeup, whatever. Just do this step and you won't get acne. Like, I can't say won't, but the acne will decrease for sure. So today's video is all about masks and stuff. So first I'm gonna wash my face with the Himalaya Purifying Neem face wash. Next I'm gonna use Jeva Activated Charcoal Peel Off Mask with Argan Oil. Now this was something I bought from Nykaa and I just wanted to try a charcoal mask and it was pretty nice. I just loved this mask a lot and I applied it every week. Before this winter season I used to apply it every week. So yeah, it worked very nicely and it is not yet finished. It is about to get over but it is not yet finished. So the quantity looks pretty small but it is a very nice product and it is kind of very cheap also. So yeah, you should definitely check this mask out. I'm gonna apply it on the other parts of my face except my nose. I'm gonna use the nose strips for my nose. I'm gonna take very little amount first and then apply. I have been using this since such a long time and within 5 minutes it dries out, so which is a nice thing. And then I will wait for 5 minutes to let it dry. I won't apply the nose strips now only because I need to apply hot water first to apply those strips, so I can't apply it, otherwise it will come out. So I'm gonna wait for 5 minutes. Okay, so I have washed my face and I have hot water with me and I'm gonna dip my cloth in that and place it wherever I need to apply the strip. I'm just gonna apply it on my nose. So I'm gonna place it over there. I'm gonna rub it this way. If your nose is not wet, it won't stick to your nose. So I'm gonna use the Hip Hop nose strips. This is how it looks like. There are only 3 strips in there, so use it in if you have any special occasions or something. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna remove the plastic part from it. Again, before sticking it, I'm gonna dip in the hot water and apply it. See, it is stuck very easily and you can even try it without applying water and you will see that it won't stick only. So it has already been 5 to 10 minutes and I'm gonna remove it now. So I have two masks with me. One is the C3 face mask and one is Upton face mask. So I don't apply both the masks on the same day, like I apply alternatively. So today I'm gonna apply. Which one shall I apply? Now I'm confused. I'm gonna apply the Upton face mask. Because C3 mask I had applied like 2-3 weeks ago. Okay, so I'm gonna remove it. I am been applying this mask since a very long time, very long time. Like it has been already 2 months, I guess. Like I had uploaded my Nykaa haul video, first Nykaa haul video, I guess. First or second, I don't know. First. You only check out and tell me, okay? So yeah. So I have been applying it like every week. That time I didn't have this mask, so I used to apply this only, and it was like, I don't know why people say it doesn't work for them. Like it is possible that it won't work for them, but for me it works very nice. Like I can really see the difference because in this mask there is turmeric, apricot oil, saffron, like things that brightens up your face, gives you clear skin, right? Which actually works. Like after washing your face you will see that, okay? So it's not like that. I don't know why people say that, but yeah, it's a nice mask. I am an oily skin type, so if you are, you can try it. It's nice. And you only get this scoop with this mask only. So yeah, with the other mask I didn't get any scoop or something. So I assumed that way that only in this mask we get that. I guess so. I'm gonna apply it. It is almost over. Like you can see or not, I don't know, but yeah. But yeah, there is one disadvantage that it takes a lot of time. Like it takes so much time to dry out, like 20 to 30 minutes maximum. Yeah. So you should always do some work while it is, on your face, because it takes that much time to fully dry out. My head portion is always dry out like in 15 minutes, 15 minutes or 5-10 minutes, I don't know, like around that time, which is like normal, okay? But the other part, I don't know why it takes so much time. So I kept the mask for like 25 minutes and yeah, and I have even applied the Pond's light moisturizer on my face, because moisturizing is very important after applying mask. So don't forget applying a moisturizer. And I had used tap water only to remove like my masks and all. So don't use a face wash. Otherwise, like face wash, you know what it does? It removes all the things that are on your face. So yes, so it will remove the mask portion also, which you don't want. Like the things that mask did for your skin, it will remove that too. So you don't want that, so use tap water. Yeah. If you want to know in detail about every stuff, you can watch my skincare part 1. I have like mentioned many things there, so you can check that out. And yeah, that was it for today, guys. If you liked the video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any of the videos I will be posting every Monday.